buy the gas, so the insurance will cover part of it. You should have bought the gas.
Walk. You should walk right.